My name is Gal Cohen. I'm the CTO of Customed AI, which is a company that mass produces a PSI for orthopedic surgeons that are being used in the surgery room. Because our customers are mainly doctors, which care a lot about speed. So this speed performance was non-negotiable, and we had to choose the fastest one. This is one fold. The second fold is the accuracy and the predictability of the outcome, because PSIs must be very precise. They must sit on a very specific area of the patient bone and mimic its anatomy very precisely, because otherwise the PSI won't work. It won't sit on the patient. With MeshLib, first of all, we get a very fast result and very accurate result, and we can actually control the speed and the accuracy as we want. Working with the MeshLib team was a very, very good experience. Actually, above what I've expected. The team is always there, responsive, and solving problems that I would not have expected them to actually solve. They will send you the code that perform what you wanted, and every time you have a question for where is this function, how can I get this functionality, you would get the answer very, very quickly. If not on the spots, and on the next day. And it's actually really a pleasure to work with them.